Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, and the reason is simple. I want all of us to achieve financial independence. Financial independence is where you can buy anything and you can be able to afford anything. Financial independence, you don't worry of what to buy or the price or how expensive it is. You can buy anything. Financial independence is not hard to achieve. Personally, I'm working on achieving financial independence, and you should also work on achieving financial independence because it's achievable. The principle is very simple. I've given myself a target that I'll be saving a given amount of money, let's say 50,000 a month, for example. If you save that times 5 years, times 12 months, it's about 600,000. Now, if you're able to grow it in the stock market, then you're able to get 1 million after a year or so. If you can be able to do that every year for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, then you find that within a very short time, let's say in 10 years, you have millions of shillings. Now, once you have millions of shillings, you can afford anything. Now, you don't need to save a lot of money to achieve financial independence. I tell people, even with 1,000 shillings, you can save, you can invest, and you can grow money in the stock market. The only problem is you will need two things. You need a high rate of return for your 1,000 shillings multiplied by 12 months, which is 12,000, multiplied by 5 years or 10 years. Basically, I tell people 10 years for it to be 1 million. Now, from 1 million, if you keep growing the money at 40% return, very soon your money will be into millions. Financial independence is anything and is possible, and all of us can achieve financial independence. I'm reading a book by Marshall Loeb. Marshall Loeb wrote a book on money, and he talks a lot about money. He's an American writer and author, and he's also one of the managing editors of Fortune magazine. Marshall Loeb says that the reason you need to achieve financial independence is simple. So that if you are in a job, a 9 to 5 a.m. job, you can quit. Once you quit, you can be able to do everything you want to do. You can travel the world. You can give to charities. You can do anything you want to achieve. Let me read for you a portion of this book. It says, the sooner you start saving, the easier and faster you will be able to accomplish independence, to accomplish financial independence. And you will have help along the way. Banks and bewildering variety of investment firms are all clamoring for your money and offering high real rates of return to get it. In many cases, the government will even let you shelter your savings from taxes. Now, let me tell you this. The financial world is designed to make you poor. Banks are not there to make you rich. Banks are there to make themselves rich. Insurance companies are not there to make you rich. They are there to make themselves rich. Circles and money market funds, unit trusts, all these guys are meant to take away your money. And the returns they are giving you is too low. Inflation now is about 6%. Now, you put your money in an insurance company and you get 3% return. And inflation is 6% return. Ladies and gentlemen, you're losing money. Bank is giving you 5% return. Inflation is 6% return. You are losing money. You should not do that. Put your money in the stock market. Join me. Join this Telegram group. I have a Telegram group. The link is down below in the subscription button, in the description, and in the comments. Join the Telegram group. That's where I teach people about the stock market, how we can grow money, how we can make money, grow money, and achieve financial independence quickly. Martial law talks of financial independence, and all of us should achieve financial independence. All of us can achieve financial independence. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button. Join our Telegram group and see you in the next video. Bye bye.